Hi viewers, welcome to YouTube channel. Hi viewers, I'm going to show you how to renew the expired domain in Bigrock. Let's see how to renew it. This is the domain we're going to renew. I'm going to log into the Bigrock account. Bigrock.in. It takes time to load completely. Yeah, it's get loaded. I'm clicking login. Here I have to enter username and password. I entered it. There is a reCAPTCHA. I have to fill it. There is a card. 1, 2, 3 maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it out. That's okay, fine. Again, we need to wait for it. I think internet is getting slow. In manager, you can see right side column, you can see there is a expired orders. If you click it, you can see the list of domains which we need to renew it. There is a lot of domains expired in my account, but I need to renew only one domain, so I click it. Once I click the renew button, there is a button for durability. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. If you go to bulk order means you can get price to be reduced. You can save lot of money even. But I need only 1 year, so I am clicking 1 year. I could see that 1 year 599 with the tax is 107, totally 700 rupees. Okay, I'm clicking pay online. There is a lot of payment method is available. Net banking, debit card, credit card and wallets, something like that, which we have and use it for renew that domain in Bigrock. I got an email, renewal for srimuthuauditor.in for 1 year. Once you done the payment, you get the email like this, and there is a amount details will be shown. The domain which was expired, I am checking reloading. I can see that the title tag is opening. The whole website is ready. Internet is getting very slow. Let's see. This is the domain we renewed recently. You can see that it is opening properly. I have seen that how to renew the domain completely for 1 year. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.